Who is it?
Advanced power. The Verizon 4G LTE network makes your business run faster.
Yo.
Smartphones, laptops, tablets, mobile hotspots. But not all 4G is created.
Yeah, he coming out right now.
Major carriers, only Verizon's 4G network is 100% LTE, the gold standard of wireless technology. And while other carriers may have limited LTE coverage, Verizon is the largest
turn that
LTE network
motherfucker
in
down.
America and ever growing. With Verizon 4G LTE, you can invent new ways to upgrade your business.
Show no mercy on that plate.
From remote locations, video conferencing, mobile credit card payments, lightning fast downloads, and access to thousands of business apps. Plus, Verizon has the largest selection of 4G LTE devices and the most 4G LTE coverage for your business. All on America's fastest, most reliable 4G network. No wonder more businesses choose Verizon Wireless than any other wireless carrier.
Damn, man.
Before Allegra, my allergy medicines took hours.
Motherfucking fleas and shit be biting niggas.
After Allegra, I have the only one that provides fast, non-drowsy 24-hour relief of my toughest symptoms.
Proven effective even at 8 times high pollen levels.
After Allegra, I have it all.
If I were cheese, I wouldn't want to let go of myself either. Come try the cheese-inspired dishes on our 2468 value menu. Only at Denny's.
Dish Network's new blockbuster movie pass gives you over 100,000 movies, TV shows, and games.
The Blockbuster Movie Pass, delivered and streamed straight to you. It's news worth celebrating. Now get the best channels blessed when you get Dish. Prices start at just $19.99 per month. Sign up now and get the Blockbuster Movie Pass, featuring new releases available before Netflix. Call Dish Network now. Creating a business website is easy. Whether you're a lawyer, a photographer,
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
type of business, company name, color scheme, and design. Done. Customize your site with your own text, pictures, and logo. Customers will find you everywhere. Choose from over 200 industries. One-in-One My website. Try it now for free. oneandone.com.
Brought to you by Iron Extra Dry. 5-time world champion relief pitcher Mariano Rivera.
Boys, these big plates on the motherfucker.
Why pay more to sweat less? Iron Extra Dry. Maximum protection, great value price.
Hi, I'm Ray from Safe Life. A chip is 1,000.
That's how we eat in this bitch.
One big pump.
Big in it, so.
Replace the whole
Look at that ball.
And now we repair it first. Not all residents.
Police ass nigga. Eat hard.
Break down and ruin the
Yeah,
repair.
slow down, slow down. Fighting with it.
And we guarantee it for life. Plus, thanks to her insurance, a repair was no cost to her. Why risk it? Schedule now.
Our weekend, should we spend it wandering? Some home improvement warehouse? No. Then we go to Ace. Get help when we walk in the door. Because we will maintain our home. And all weekend.
Get your weekend back at Ace, the helpful place. We know it's hard to believe Domino's now has artisan pizza. We got some creative ideas.
Boy, pull back.
Domino's new.
Look at that ball.
Instead of pretending some celebrity chef likes it, we're just going to offer our
Pull back. When it pull back, when it pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Boy, that's a combo boost on. Ready for war. Ready for war.
So if you've been injured, call us now or get 24-hour service at GetBart.com and get the barcode. One click, that's it. Give a lawyer. Look at it. One call or one click. That's it.
Seeking more reliability and professionalism from its communications provider, Clark Warwick partnered with Suddenlink Business. With Suddenlink Business, our voice center
Everyday motherfucking uniform.
protected, and they're there when we need them. And the customer service that we get is a mirror of the customer service that we try to give to our clients. You know, it's all professional. See for yourself why more businesses nationwide are upgrading to Suddenlink Business.
That nigga at the house sleep. That right there. That dick roll. Boy, I know you want to put his mouth on that. Yeah. Look at this look. Who was that, Gail Kim?
Hell,
she got that.
And the text asking me the question, why, Gail? Why? Well, first off, for starters, it's none of your damn business. I don't owe anybody an explanation, okay?
What's she talking about?
I don't even know. I didn't watch it last week.
Why the goody two-shoes, Gail Kim, came out here last week and gave Velvet Sky a concussion? Oh, and by the way, sent her home? Yeah, that was me. That was me. Yeah.
She back in TNA now, huh?
Happy to give you an explanation. My entire career, all I ever did was do what everybody told me to do. First at TNA, then continuing on to another company, and then it probably would have happened again if it wasn't for the one and only person who had my best interests in mind. That's right, Karen Jarrett. Thank you, Karen.
She's been all them
Karen made me realize
come in
it's
with
not about the company
Why you ain't that
work for.
motherfucker? There you go.
And it sure as hell isn't about the fans
Oh,
who
look at
never
that
put
dude.
a dime in my pocket. That's right. That's right. It's about me. It's about me being the center of attention. It's about me.
Oh, they gotta go,
being
YouTube
the
viewers.
one
Thank you for
who's
joining us.
noticed.
TV
And
My
most
Story
of all,
6.
it's about me
20 and more
being
for the
treated like
story.
the main eventer
We'll see what we're
that
gonna do
I
before we go.
always was and will be.
Slow down. That boy, that bird about to leave. That look, that boy got that bird.
Thank you. And Gail, since I
And
am
drop the bit.
queen of my word,
Peace out.
and I promised you that if you came back into the impact zone and you stood by my side, that it would all
Say.
pay off. Right?
Slow down, man.
So,
Slow down.
at Turning Point,
Slow down.
you are going to get your knockout title match against Velvet. You're welcome. You're welcome.